Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your GK teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, as you know that we are on unit number 8 and the name of our unit is Professions and Occupations Around Us. Today is the review, that is the 7th lecture of this unit. So my dear students, let's quickly recap what we did in the previous lecture. Which profession you want to adopt? Very good. So my dear students, these are all the student learning outcomes of this unit that we have alhamdulillah covered. So my dear students, one by one हम इनको revise करेंगे with the reading pages. मैं आपसे कुछ oral questions करूँगी. एक दफ़ा unit जब revise हो जाएगा, I will provide you with the assessment sheet ताकि आपकी evaluation हो सके. So my dear students, let's quickly move forward. When we started lecture number 1, we discussed about different professions. So what is a profession? A profession is a paid occupation, यानी कि ये एक ऐसा पेशा होता है या कोई ऐसा service providing प्रोवाइडर होता है जो कि अपनी सर्विस को प्रोवाइड करने में के रिटर्न में पैसे वसूल करता है. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड अ प्रोफेशन. और हमें डिफरेंट प्रोफेशंस अपने इर्द गिर्द जो है वो नज़र आते हैं, लाइक अ कॉबलर, डॉक्टर, नर्स, सर्वेंट्स, मेड्स, हाउस हेल्प्स, engineers, builders, farmers. These are all our different professions. And then we discussed about, so we did a supervised activity जिसमें हमने मुख्तलिफ जो professions हैं उनको observe किया था. So my dear students, फिर हमने अपने इर्द गिर्द जो हम common professions देखते हैं और वो कौन सी service या role provide करते हैं हमें, हमने उसके बारे में discuss किया था. What are common professions we see around? Quickly name them. A cobbler, shopkeeper, doctor, nurse, farmer. These are some common professions. And what is the role of doctor, farmer, teacher in daily life? Teacher educates us, doctor treats us, and farmer, they grow crops in the fields and they work in the fields. Then again we discussed about the role of some other professions like a cobbler and a shopkeeper. So what is the role of cobbler and shopkeeper? A cobbler mends our shoes and a shopkeeper, they sell things to us. Then we made a project about different service providing staff that we observe in a hospital. So मैंने आपको एक pictorial tour दिया था जिसमें हमने मुख्तलिफ हॉस्पिटल के जो प्रोफेशंस हैं उनको ऑब्जर्व किया था और फिर हमने बताया था कि ये कौन कौन से काम करते हैं. एंड वी ऑल्सो डिड अ पिक्चर रीडिंग और इसमें हमने ये देखा था कि हम कौन सा जो प्रोफेशन है वो अडॉप्ट करना चाहते हैं और उसके पीछे क्या रीज़न है. Okay, my dear students, so now is the time for the practice. Now quickly download this worksheet from the description box below this video, or you can also get it in print form by your teacher. Write down your name and the roll number. And then what is a profession? You have to define it. Write name of some professions and their roles in daily life. आपने कुछ professions के names यहाँ लिखने हैं इस space में और उसके आगे आपने बताना है कि वो क्या काम करते हैं या कौन सी service provide करते हैं. What do you want to be in future? What do you want to be in future and why? यानी कि आप बड़े होके क्या बनना चाहते हैं and you also have to give reason for it. So my dear students, pause the video and quickly finish the worksheet. I hope everybody has done it. So my dear students, for homework you will do writing section E given on page number 67. So this will be your homework, and the wrap up of the lesson is there are different professions. Different professions include farming, medicine, teaching, pilot, cobbler, shopping, shopkeeping, and they provide us with different services. और my dear students, ये तमाम professions जो हैं इनकी services की वजह से ही different departments जो आपके इर्द गिर्द हैं वो चलते हैं, एक society जो है वो successfully run करती है. So my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed this unit and you have learned a lot of things from it. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.